Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use animated stickers and Discord without Nitro. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my last knowledge update, using animated stickers and Discord generally requires Discord Nitro, the platform's premium subscription service. Animated stickers are considered a premium feature, and they are one of the benefits provided to Nitro subscribers. If you don't have Discord Nitro, you may be limited to using regular, non-animated emojis and stickers that are available to all users. These are typically accessible through the emoji picker and the chart interface. Now, to utilize standard stickers, you can follow these steps. So the first step would be launch Discord and go to the chart or server where you intend to send a sticker. Next step would be click on the smiley face icon located next to the message input box to access the emoji picker. Now, within the emoji picker, locate the stickers tab. Now, browse the assortment of available stickers and choose the one you wish to send. As for animated stickers in Discord without Nitro, it's important to note that typically Nitro is required to access this feature. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.